everyone, welcome to my channel, Everyday I'm Mothering. This month we are doing 31 days of Halloween STEM activities. So if you haven't yet, check out the playlist for the rest of the experiments we've been doing. But today for our spooky candy science experiment art project, you will need some warm water, some candy, and this could be M&Ms, Reese's Pieces, Skittles, whatever you want to use, but we have peanut allergies, so we're using M&Ms, and then some plates to do your artwork on. So the first thing to do is to make a design using your candy, and this can be anything that you want. We did pumpkins, monsters, ghosts, just really have fun with it.
How I know how to do it is think what I know what to do, and think how to make it, and then I know how to do it. Aha! I know how to make a rainbow ghost.
So when you add your warm water, you want to put it around the outside of your design and just put enough to cover the plate. Now we used a jug to pour ours, but if we do this again, we're going to use pipettes or a syringe, because when the girls were pouring it, it was a little hard, you can see here, and it would move their design if they hit it. So I think a syringe would just make this a little bit more fun for them to actually insert the water and drop it in, and I think that would be a neat addition.
It's a rainbow ghost. You need to give it a second to get colorful. It's a vampire. The skin is yellow, the hair is brown, the eyes are blue, and the red eyes faint. Oh no, it's dripping.
There we go.
Wow. So many colors. Whoa. Whoa. Eat one.
Did you sneak one? What?
Monster party. The water is dissolving the sugar, which makes the color spread. Awesome. Which also makes a mix. It's a monster. My monster went away. Bye-bye, monster.
The girls had so much fun doing this, so we will definitely be doing this again with all of our leftover Halloween candy. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and check out the rest of the videos in our 31 Days of Halloween STEM series. Bye everyone!